So we are going to begin with discussing the respiratory system. My name is Janet Minchie, and we are going to start by speaking about the nose. The nose is right here in the nasal cavity, followed by the pharynx, which is right here, which we can view. The pharynx. It is right here, which consists of the nasopharynx, oropharynx, and laryngopharynx. Then below the pharynx we have the larynx, which we could also view right here. The larynx connects the pharynx to the trachea, then we can view the trachea right here. And beneath the trachea we have the bronchi, which connects the trachea to the lungs. And then from there we have the lungs themselves, which are these two organs. And then from the lungs we have the bronchi trees. And the bronchi trees are the structures inside the lungs which connect to the bronchi. And the bronchial trees bring air into the bronchial sacs, which are connected to the end of these